Welcome to my channel Tranquilliving JS.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that.
So we are at Royal Oak looking for a beautiful mirror for this makeover. Whenever you buy a mirror, make sure to check for any scratches beforehand. So in this video, we are going to target this lobby which is connecting the two bedrooms. Since it is a very small space, I decided to add a mirror to it just so that it looks a little bit bigger. So the process starts with making sure the wall is even. I removed all the frames and filled in putty in all the holes. So here I was going to use a wallpaper which I had left with me, and it was just enough to cover this area. So I took all the measurements, and while using wallpapers you have to make sure that the design matches, and that's what I'm doing here.
And I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't.
Okay, so since I have very limited wallpaper with me, I was making sure if two strands were able to cover this area. I was running short of 1 centimeter, so I decided to attach the wallpaper with the edge of the door, and the other side I was going to leave 1 centimeter which I was going to fill in with white color. This is the glue for sticking the wallpaper to the wall. The wallpaper is from the Nilaya range Asian paints. So to start the process, take a flat brush and apply the glue on the wall. Then you roll the wallpaper and make sure there are no bubbles, and yes, it's a two-man job.
Don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way.
So towards the end we were left with no wallpaper, so I had some cuttings of this wallpaper. I tried to match the pattern and filled in the corners with that, and thankfully the final output was good. It was not at all noticeable.
Not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this
Time for hanging the beautiful mirror on this beautiful wall.
I don't wanna waste my time. No.
और finally अब बारी थी grey color को छुपाने की, so I took a flat brush and covered all the edges with a white color from Asian Paints Royale so that the wall looked neat, and yes, it was looking classy.
Maybe you don't wanna know. You don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
तो अब क्रिसमस पे थोड़ा फेस्टिव टच तो बनता है. So again I went to my garden, plugged in some beautiful leaves and used it as the Christmas decor. Let's have a look.
No, I don't wanna waste my time.
I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10. Beat the odds, hit my line. What you want? I pick up, get it all. Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cover my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Shorties had chain when the money came. Money bang here, I'm getting money back. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah.
I hope you would have liked this short video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you next time. Bye.
I got racks in my sack, curve my back, frozen. Neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ring.